Hello, everybody. My name is Akhmetov, and in this video, I want to show you how to use a Chrome extension, which I have developed as a result of my PhD work, and it is connected with the summarization of scientific texts. So let me share the screen, and I will show you step by step what can you do with this Chrome extension. The Chrome extension, by the way, is named GreedSum, but it has nothing to do with greediness. It's only because we are using greedy algorithm. So it's not connected to the phrase of Gordon Gekko from the Wall Street movie, like greed is good. I believe that the opposite is true. Generosity is good. So don't take me wrong. Okay. So here you can see the article which we have published together with Alexander Gelbukh and Rustam Mussabayev in the IEEE Access journal in 2021 in December. So our algorithm is based on greedy algorithm approach, and what we do there is that we rank the sentences according to their importance or the content of the most important words in the article or a text. And the importance is defined by by statistical methods like TF-IDF. And so the resulted method also cares not only about the important sentences in the text, but also about the redundancy avoidance. So we don't collect in our summary the alike sentences. We care about the diversity of the sentences in the resulting summary. Okay, so here's the article. I will leave a link to this article in the description of the video, so you can read it all. And what about extension, our extension? You can locate it in the Chrome Web Store. I will leave the direct link in the description of the video, but you can also locate it in the search. Type in here GreedSum, or I have a typo here. So, and here you go. You click here, add to Chrome, add extension, and then it will be installed. So it asks here whether to turn the sync. If you connect your Google account or Gmail account to the Chrome, you can synchronize your all of your Google extensions on all of your devices whenever you log in on any device with your credentials or with your login details from Gmail in Chrome. Then all of the plugins or Google extensions will be in place. So you can do it, but I will not do it here. And then you can go to extensions. Let's pin up this extension. So you can see here a little icon appeared called GS. Grid stands for GreedSum. And also, we are constantly updating this extension. So if you want to update or look for the updates, for example, here you can see that sometimes we write here, we fixed this and this and this. And if you want to update your extension, you can go to the extension management in Google Chrome. push this button, this switch to the developer mode, and click update. And all of your extensions will be updated. Okay, so what can we do with our extension? Let's see on an example from Wikipedia article. Let's say we want to gather some information about anything, about lions. Lions. A lion, okay, from Wikipedia, we have an article about lion. So you see, it's in fact a huge article, and maybe you don't have a time to read it all. Okay, so what you can do, you can click here, and here you go on the Summarize tab. You can select the color, highlighting color. Maybe you want it to be green. Then you select either you summarize in the number of sentences. Say you want to summarize it in 10 sentences only. All of this information on this web page. Or compression ratio. You say you want only 10% of the text to be in the summary. Let's try the first type of summarization first by sentence. So we want all of this article in 10 sentences. Here is also a parameter, minimum sentence frequency. It's like a threshold of the words appearing in this many on this percentage of the sentences from the whole text. So you can read the article for more details, but I advise if you don't know what to do, just leave it as it is. So it states that in the words which are used for summarization or for figuring out the importance of words, and the words which are used in calculations in the algorithms appear in more than or equal to 3% of the text sentences. Okay, let's click Summarize. And what we see here, a window appeared with the 10 sentences from the text, which you can save as an HTML for future reference. Okay. And then you can review it if you want. And what we see in the text, the 10 sentences which were selected are highlighted in green. You see? Here you go. So instead of reading all of the text, you can read only the sentences highlighted. And so you can get a quick grasp on the information about lions or anything else you choose on the web. Okay, let's go and try another method. I have refreshed the page, and let's summarize it in 10% of the text content. So 10% of the text as a summary. The most important 10% of the article. Let's click Summarize. It's a huge article, so it took a little bit time. And here you go. All the salient sentences were included. So let's see what was highlighted. I forgot to change the color of highlighting, so it by the default it is red. And here you see all the salient sentences were highlighted, and you can read it to get the general information about lions or any other topic you choose to browse info on the web. So that is all for the use. Also, you have in your plugin, in your Chrome extension, such tab as about. You can read this general information about the article, about the algorithm. You can visit and try our web app. Also, you can visit our official website. And here we go with the acknowledgements. We thank the people who created such wonderful JavaScript models as readability and mark. Also, we thank the creators of jQuery and Bootstrap, and so on. So, on the official website, here we go with the information about GreedSum, about our products, and donate. If you wish to thank us for the plugin, you can send us some appreciation sign. But you should know that the extension is freeware. You can use it without any payment, no hidden payments, nothing at all. If you don't want to thank us with money, you can just make a prayer for us or dua, and then this will be enough for us. You can also contact us if you wish to say something about the plugin, or you located a bug or anything else, or you can suggest a feature in the Chrome extension. You can contact us here. And one of the things I want to mention also is that don't forget to read what you have summarized, because the summarization itself is useless unless you read what you have summarized. And that's how people learn from the information you get. And last thing, tell your friends about this Chrome extension, and tell us if it is useful by clicking the ratings or giving us 5-star ratings. Thank you for your attention, and bye-bye.